Ayan, okay. Everybody, again, cheers, say cheers. Say cheers. Okay, one more. Sa kanila. One more. Say cheers. Okay, and it's time to say bye-bye now with Greenest. Bye, Greenest. Thank you very much for coming and joining us and celebrating Angel's birthday. Okay, this time, ayan, we have a surprise gift for the kids, sa mga classmates and friends. So, lahat ng mga boys, 49 here to my left, and mga girls dito sa right. Lahat ng mga boys, everybody, forward na. Ano kayo? 49 boys dito. Okay. Angel Christ gift para sa inyo. So, let's start with the boys. You'll get to pick up your number here. At kung anong number mapili ninyo or bunot, yun yung corresponding number na nandito sa front na here. Okay? So, dito kayo kay Angel ng bunot. Wait, one by one. So muna. Okay, what number? Open your number. What number? Number 7. Hanapin natin yung number 7. Wow! Congratulations! Okay, number 8. Who's the number 8? Okay, congratulations. What number? Number 3. Wow!